Hello again mga ka-dreamer! Welcome back again to Vher Dreamer Online Classroom. Our lesson for today is about now subsets. Do you already what is subsets? Okay, so watch the video until the end for you be able to know what is all about subsets. Okay, so let's start. Here we're going to discuss subset, cardinality, and proper subset. Okay, so let's start first. Subset. What is subset? Subset, for example, set A is a subset of set B. It can be written as A, then yung parang letter C, then we have underlined, then B. So A is a subset of B if and only if every element in A is also an element of B. Did you understand? Again, I'll repeat. A is a subset of B if and only if every element in A is also an element of B. I will use our language. Kung ang lahat daw ng elements sa A ay kasama sa set B, sa element ng set B, therefore, A is a subset of B. Okay? For example, set A, 1, 5, 7, 11. Lahat ba ng elements sa set A ay makikita sa set B? Yes! Therefore, A is a subset of B. Okay? Did you get it? Very good! Let's proceed now to cardinality. Cardinality, the numbers of elements in a set. I repeat, it is the numbers of elements in a set denoted by n open and close parentheses. For example, set A, we have the following elements: 1, 5, 7, and 11. N open parentheses, A close parentheses is equal to how many elements do we have in the example in a given set? 4 elements. Therefore, n of A is equal to 4. There are how many elements? 4 elements. Another example. Set B. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13. N of B is equal to how many elements do we have? 7 elements. So therefore, the cardinality of set A is N of A is equal to 4, and set B is N of B is equal to 7. And let's have now proper subset. Okay? Set A is a proper subset of set B, written as A, yung symbol ng proper subset, B, if there is at least one element in B not contained in A. Okay, so what are the properties of subset? Number 1, every set is a subset of itself. The empty set is a subset of every set. When we say, or kapag sinabi natin empty set, null set also yan. Remember? Empty set or null set. For example, we have set A, set B. Set A, we have the following elements: A, B, and C. We have set B. We have the following elements: A, B, C, and D. The question is, what is the subset of A is a proper subset of B? Okay, so let's take note of this. We have to write the following elements of A, B, C, and D. And we have the elements of A, B, C. So, tingnan nyo mabuti. Ano yung mga elements na makikita sa B pero wala sa A? Okay. Element D. Very good. Therefore, A is a proper subset a B. Why? Since there is at least one element in B not contained in A. At least one element. Nakukuha pa? Very good. At least one element ang hindi makikita isang set doon sa hinihingi na proper subset. Nakukuha? For example, ngayon, di ba? A is a proper subset of B. Question, yes or no? The answer is yes, because there is one element in B that is not contained in A. Did you get it? Very good. To get for the cardinality, we have the following formula to be used. Not only we can able to count, we have the formula. For example, A is equal to 1, 2. So substitute from the formula 2 raised to n. Okay? So 2 raised to n. How many n? We have 2 because of the elements 1 and 2. So how many subsets we can able to get from the given set? Okay, based from the formula 2 raised to n, we have to substitute the value of n. We have 2, the value of n, raised to 2, 4. The answer is 4. So how many possible subsets of the set? We have 4. So let us list all the possible subset. 0, which is the empty set or null set. And we have one element, which is 1 and 2. And we have two elements, we have 1 and 2. Let us count the possible subset. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So therefore, there are possible subset of the set A which have the following element 1 and 2 using the formula 2 raised to n. Did you get it? Very good. Okay, so that's it all about subsets, cardinality, and proper subset. Thank you for watching.